Remastered crashing on Windows PC. 1. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam. 2. Run Yakuza 3 Remastered as an administrator. Like this. Hint, find the exe via Steam's Browse Local Files option. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. 4. Install the latest game patches. 5. Disable the Steam overlay. 6. Close resource hacking apps via WTM.